This is ZTE Axon 25G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check whether your device is original. So to start off, launch settings, then enter the About Phone category, and in here copy either of the IMEIs you have stated over there. Then open any web browser that you prefer, then go for the IMEI.info website. In here at the input field, type in your email address, or the IMEI number, or simply paste it from the clipboard. Then complete the CAPTCHA. Then hit the check button, and if the device that this service will provide you with corresponds with your actual phone, let's see if that will be true. Yep, you are more or less golden to know that you are indeed an owner of original ZTE Axon 20 already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.